Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of an ESDDI brand, a 14-inch ring light. Comes with the ring light itself, the power cord, a nice cell phone adjustable mount, and a DSLR quarter 20 mount on here, and a hot shoe mount, and this angle could be fully adjustable too. Also includes a very nice tripod section that has locks for the legs, as well as full adjustment of the pieces that come out. You just raise them and lock them just like that. Now this will go as high as 6 feet. And they also include this nice little extension piece right here that will add an additional almost a foot, about 9.5 inches. And this is adjustable, as we're going to demonstrate. And that could go on that tripod and allow this to go 9 inches taller. Now there's controls on here. I'm going to demonstrate these controls. There's where the power cord goes. There's the power switch right there. There is color control and brightness control. I'm going to demonstrate that in the video. If you look at the profile of this, it's very unique, it's very smooth. It has a very nice diffused plastic opaque material on there to give you a nice soft adjustable light. I really like that. A lot of the other ones don't have that. Another thing I really like about this is that you don't have a power supply that's hanging on the tripod. You just have a very flexible included power cord, and that's unique. On the bottom of this, it has a fully adjustable mount right here that connects to that tripod, and you could adjust the angle of this and then lock it in place. Very nice quality, very solid. This is the PLV-R360, and from the company, as I said, ESDDI, and it has an instruction manual with all the specifications. We're going to measure the lux of this, and we're going to measure some thermal testing of how it performs and how cool it runs. The number of LEDs that are in this circular section, there's 360 LEDs. This unit only consumes 40 watts, yet produces that 4,000 lumens. I mean, this will basically light up a whole room. Now, the seller provides a 12-month warranty on the product and a 90-day 100% customer satisfaction guarantee. So if you're not satisfied, let them know and you'll work with the seller and resolve any issues you have. This kit also comes with a very nice material holder that has zippered section on here. You can close the whole thing up, and it has a nice handle on there. Very nicely made so that you can keep your ring light all organized and bring it to a shoot. And not take up a lot of space either. This is only like 14.5 inches by 14.5 inches. So that's included also. So the manual says that it has 4,000 lumen. So I have a lux meter right here, and I'm at 1 foot distance away in a dark room. It's very bright, and you can see it's generating 4,270 lux. That's telling me that it's producing those lumen, the 4,000, slightly over that, at 1 foot away. So that shows you how bright this is. It's basically lighting up the whole room. Okay, so I had the ring light running for a full hour, and I'll do a little thermal test right here. So I have a thermal gun, and you can see by the heatsink area, shooting the laser, and it's only 88, 87, 85 degrees right there, which is pretty amazing. So you can just feel that the little bit of heat is coming right off the top right there. So it's very simple to operate. You just put the included power cord in there, and you have an on-off switch right here. And then on the left-hand side, you have a knob which controls how warm it is or how white. You can see on my hand, that's full 5000K. And then you go to the left, and it goes to 3200K. Look how warm that is. And then on the right, there is a 10% control all the way up to 100% control, and that's the amount of lumens or lux that comes out. So you can control the lumens and lux and the temperature quite easily. So included is this nice cell phone holder, and it has a spring mount on there, so you can hold your cell phone right in the middle and you can rotate it. And it also has a 1/4-20 so that you can put this on the tripod horizontally. And you have an adjustment right here where you can change the angle and lock it in place. And on the bottom right here is a standard mount which is used on DSLR cameras, and it comes with that mount. And then you can see the DSLR mount right on there also, called the shoe mount. So that just slides right on there, and then you just turn this clockwise and it locks it in place. Now you could also take this piece off right here, and we're going to demonstrate that, and you could put your DSLR camera right on there. We're going to show that next. So here I have my DSLR camera on their included mount, and it works really nice. And then the beauty of this is that you have your lens right in the center of the ring light, so your subject will get lit up very evenly. Now the tripod is very easy to operate. Once you open it up, you just tighten this screw right there, and that keeps it supporting so that these 3 legs will not collapse. And then you have adjustments right here. You just raise each section that you want to use, and you then tighten that section right here, and then it locks it in place. And this will go very high, goes over 6 feet tall. So you have a lot of flexibility in how high you could have this ring light. They also included this section right here, which has the same mount for your ring light, and it has a receptacle right there. Now this could be put on the bottom of this tripod right there. Then the ring light could be put right here. And what that does, it gives you almost an extra foot in the height of the ring light. And what's nice is this type of mount allows you to bend it, and then you could change the shape of it and change the angle of the ring light if you want. Just another option, and this is included in the kit. And you can see how flexible it is. I can bend it 90 degrees quite easily. So what's my overall opinion about the ESDDI 14-inch ring light? Comes with the power cord, the unit itself, cell phone mount, the DSLR hot shoe, the full 6-foot length tripod section, the 9-inch extension piece, and the very nice holder. I think this product is a great value, and I think you will also. As I showed all the functions it has, everything works on it flawlessly. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating on my channel. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope the information I presented helps you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.